To be world-class in e-commerce, you have to be experts in selling stuff and in moving stuff. Getting your products from factory floor to the front door quickly and efficiently is incredibly critical. I'm Rob Hahn, Chief Operating Officer here at Pattern. I'll show you how we help brands like yours move products around the world better than anyone. Effective fulfillment can actually be the difference between success and failure. A lot goes into packing, prepping, and shipping, stockouts, high storage fees, inbound shipping costs, inbound placement fees, data accuracy, and a lot can go wrong. The truth is, you should be spending time growing your brand, not worrying about logistics. And that's where we come in. Pattern's end-to-end fulfillment services take all the heavy lifting off your plate. We know how to handle your volume. In fact, every single week, we ship millions and millions of units for our brand partners. We help them do it faster, cheaper, and better than they could do on their own. We handle everything from start to finish. That includes receiving, staging, labeling, palletizing, every complexity that's required by marketplaces around the world. No more haggling carriers and scheduling, no more paying Amazon placement fees, no more paper cuts. And that's the really great part. Our scale delivers the lowest cost, most scalable solution out there. From first click to final delivery, we'd love to talk to you about how Pattern's end-to-end e-commerce platform can help you accelerate your brand's growth like never before.